Welcome back to Promptly Pro. Trust me, you can thank me later. Let's talk money. AI isn't just about saving time, it's also about saving cash. The truth is, if you're still paying for things like virtual assistants, expensive design software, or marketing tools, you could be overspending by hundreds of dollars every month. So today, I'll show you AI tools that can save you up to $1,000 per month, without sacrificing quality. The cost problem. Think about it. A part-time virtual assistant might cost $500 to $800 a month. Graphic design software? Another $50 to $100. Video editing? Another $200. Marketing tools? Easily $300 plus. It adds up fast. And that's just for small business owners or freelancers. Imagine you're trying to run an online store or grow a YouTube channel. The costs can spiral quickly. This is where AI comes in, not only to save time but to directly cut down your monthly expenses. Tool number 1. Jasper or ChatGPT Pro. Copywriters are amazing, but they're not cheap. A single blog post might cost $100 to $200, and if you need 4 per month, that's $400 to $800. Jasper or ChatGPT Pro can generate high-quality drafts in minutes. For example, let's say you're running a small e-commerce business. Instead of paying someone to write 20 product descriptions, you can create them in ChatGPT, polish them up, and have them live the same day. That alone can save $300 to $500 per month. Tool number 2. Pictory. Video content is king, but hiring an editor is expensive. A freelance editor might charge $200 per video, so even just 4 videos a month can be nearly $1,000. With Pictory, you paste in your script, and within minutes you get a polished video with stock footage, subtitles, and voiceover. Creators using Pictory report saving $500 to $800 monthly. And if you're publishing on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, this could be the difference between making content consistently or giving up because it's too costly. Tool number 3. Canva Pro. With AI design agencies or freelancers often charge $50 to $100 for a single social media package. Canva AI can create templates, logos, social posts, and even full presentations instantly. A freelance coach I know used to spend $300 per month on custom Instagram posts. Switching to Canva AI, she cut that down to just $13 for Canva Pro. That's a savings of nearly $250 per month, and she can still publish high-quality graphics every day. Tool number 4. Zapier. Or make hiring a virtual assistant to handle repetitive tasks like scheduling, sending reminders, or updating spreadsheets might cost $500 or more monthly. But Zapier or Make can automate those same workflows. For example, instead of paying someone to copy new customer data from Shopify into Google Sheets, Zapier does it instantly. Instead of a person sending follow-up emails, an automation handles it. That's at least $100 to $300 per month saved, often much more if you scale. Tool number 5. ElevenLabs. Voiceovers are surprisingly expensive. A single professional VO for a video can cost $100 or more. ElevenLabs lets you create natural, realistic voices in multiple languages and tones. A content creator producing 5 to 10 videos monthly can save $200 to $400 per month just by switching from human freelancers to AI-generated voiceovers. And since ElevenLabs is instant, you don't have to wait days for delivery. The big picture: add it all up. With these tools, you could be saving $1,000 or more every month. That's not just money saved. That's money you can reinvest into ads, new tools, or simply keep in your pocket. Think of it like this. If AI tools save you $12,000 per year, that's the equivalent of a part-time salary, all without hiring anyone. Bonus. How to combine these tools for maximum savings. The real magic happens when you use them together. Write your video script in ChatGPT. Use Pictory to turn it into a video. Add graphics from Canva AI. Automate posting with Zapier. Add a professional AI voice with ElevenLabs. What used to take a team of 5 people and thousands of dollars can now be done by one person, in a single afternoon. If you want to keep your wallet full while working smarter, make sure to subscribe to Promptly Pro. We share only the most practical AI tips that save you real money. Automate, optimize, grow. This is Promptly Pro.